Wake up, Jason. Jason, my boy, it's time to get up. Jason!
Huh?
Oh, I'm sorry, my boy, but the counselors at Crystal Lake aren't going to kill themselves. That's a good boy, Jason. Now get dressed and strike fear into those who stand in your way. Or go grab a cup of coffee first or something? Really? Seriously? Is it good? Is it a good cup of coffee, Jason? Are you ready to get dressed like a big boy now? Good. Now go put on the most scariest outfit you have and make your mother proud. What is this? What are you doing? Are you making a fan film or something? Oh yeah, let me get this straight. You're copying someone who is copying you? Yeah, that's not gonna happen. We don't do fan films, Jason. What else do you got? Well, it's a little bit better, I guess. But come on, Jason, nobody likes a poser. Just be yourself, alright? Well, it's kind of scarier, I guess, if you plan on tending to the crops or milking a cow or something. Yeah, nice try, Farmer John. Put something else on. Really? You're just messing with me now, aren't you? Come on, my boy, that's not even the right franchise. Next. Not bad. Now that's what I'm talking about, Jason. Come closer, let Mother get a better look at you. Yes, that'll do, Jason. That'll do. Now grab your weapon and make them pay for what they have done to us. Go now, Jason, and make them remember what real fear feels like. Yes, kill for Mother. What's the matter, Jason? You didn't kill any counselors tonight? Really? Even Ghostface got 4 kills tonight, and he hasn't even left the house. That's okay, my boy. You'll get him next time. Mommy is so proud of you. Now get some rest, Jason. There's always tomorrow, you know. There's always tomorrow.